Rocky. What you got going on today?
I got it from where she can let it go. Got my treasure. If Sean, look at this.
Ooh, yeah, get it.
And it will stop in me.
Ooh.
I'm saying it. Here, this is the backup. You see this?
Ah, it's gonna get me. Ah.
It is falling down. Ah!
All right, now what else?
This is awesome. Let me go forward too. See? That's the name it.
Bigfoot, Bigfoot.
That's the name it.
Yeah, see? Bigfoot.
Oops. Oh yeah.
Right there. Okay, what else?
You want to see this?
Yeah, I do.
I just showed you how to. Mexico fans.
Yeah, come on this side of it.
Watch what gets you. And the lights are
What's the other buttons do? You hit the arrows. What's the little circles and squares in the back do? Do you know?
This, I just.
And what's this do? Time to race. Hit the next one. Oh, wait. Still going.
And that's how it sucks.
All right. Hit the other circle.
What's this?
Nope. I hit that one already. Hit this one. What's that one do? Makes it beep. All right.
Hey,
What's
that was my car when I did that.
yeah.
Pew, pew, pew.
What about the square? Hit the small square next to it.
Oh, I forgot to do this.
You showed me that one.
It's how Valley.
It doesn't take batteries. Just find it back.
Oh, why do you have this when you're sorting around?
All right, let's do the square. Oh, there we go. Time to dance.
And then if you don't want to dance, you will have to stop. The last.
Whoa. Oh. All right, we gotta do that very last square. Let's see, we haven't done that one yet. So the squares play music. No, put that down, bud. Be careful.
Don't worry, look at this. I'm strong. Whoa.
Whoa. You're strong like Bigfoot.
Bigfoot's not strong.
The monster truck is. All right, anything else you want to show us before we say goodbye or what?
Yeah, I'm trying to do this.
Okay, let's see. What is this?
You want to go first? Yeah, I stay out.
All right, tell everybody see you next time.